ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com, and this is a Forex quick look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Looking at the hourly chart, the focus for me was around this 50% retracement over the last few trading days. If you look at Friday's high, the price stalled right at that 50% level. By the way, this is of the move down from the May high to the May low. The market came up, rebounded up to the 50%, found sellers, pushed to the downside, rebounded back up to the 50% retracement level, and found sellers once again forcing the price to the downside. Now the move lower was somewhat modest overnight, and in the Asian session we started to see a rotation back to the upside and a spike to the upside. Why? Because the RBA, the Reserve Bank of Australia, raised rates by 25 basis points. They were expecting no change in rates, and so that pushed the pair back higher. By the way, the RBA said they would keep the focus on the potential for further hikes. So again, increases the demand for the Australian dollars versus US dollar. However, the high price that we saw reach right here stalled about 7 pips short of this key green line right here. This is the 200-day moving average, and it came in at 0.6692. The high price came in around the 85 level, and the market rotated back to the downside. So got within 7 pips of that 200-day moving average, rotated back down. Now the move back to the downside, that had another level, key level in play, and of course that was the 50% retracement level. And as we can see right here, the price came down toward that level, got within 4 pips of it, and found buyers against that. And over the last few hours, we've seen a rotation back to the upside. So what does that tell us? Well, it tells us that we have resistance up here at the 200-day moving average. We have support down here against a 50% retracement level. It tells us that the buyers are remaining more in control above that 50% retracement level. I give the tilt in their direction, but they do need to get above the 200-day moving average in order to push this price and keep the momentum going. And so that is going to be a key target level that we need to get to and through if the buyers are to take more control. The last time the price traded above the 200-day moving average is back here, going back to around the May 11th date when the price broke below that level and started really the trend move to the downside all through May, which bottomed out on the last day of the month, and since then we've seen the rotation back to the upside. So buyers are more in control above the 50% retracement, need to get through the things like the 61.8 at 0.6680, but more importantly, the 200-day moving average. We'll see if that can happen in the short term. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.